Hey guys, here's another bike. 2013 Aprilia RSV4R. She's got 7,007 miles, under 7,500 miles. I do ride it occasionally, but it's for sale. She comes with a 2-year warranty, unlimited miles. Warranty expires December of 2022. She's all stock, but she's got the fender eliminator kit. And she looks damn sexy. Look at that. Beautiful bike. Now the decals, those you can take off. They're pretty easy to take off. They're from my business. I teach Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. You can see it on my YouTube page anyways. And that's me, Javier Blanchard, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. You can take him off. But look, she is beautiful. Only 7,007 miles. She's got the stock exhaust. Gonna do a cold start. And there you go, guys. Beautiful bike. Yellow, there's hardly any. They're rare to see yellow ones. There she is, guys. 2013 RSV4R. 7,007 miles, under 7,500 miles with the clean title. The price is $10,500 and the price is firm. It comes with the warranty. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Yeah, do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see the new videos coming out. Thank you. Happy holidays.